Like you're talking with Captain. Let me see if I could do my Captain impression. I am not the Captain, but my eyebrows also move in a way like the Captain.
Thanks, JD, folks. Be sure to give JD some love.
14 hours in, and this is what I've accomplished. Help me. This one, copyright infringement. I think I'll have a redeem to impersonate Foolbox. Dun dun dun. If you believe they put a man on the moon. Man on the moon. If you believe they put a man on the moon. Okay. And there it was. Brian got a guitar string. If this doesn't work, I'll go fuck myself with a rusty spoon. See the walk loop, make sure. Ah! Taking a step. Ooh. Watch me strut. Ooh. Here I'm a bear. Ooh. Got a big butt. Ooh. My name's Sooty. Ooh. And for me to get some sleep, I think that's. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Oh. Nope. Oh. Damn it. I'm gonna get you. Fine. I accept my fate. And dead. Sooty's revenge. So now we're doing it like this. And I put myself inside a TV. It's very inspired by Space Ghost Coast to Coast. My balls. Thank you for following. Follow me wherever I go, my balls. And I appreciate that's about you. Not I mean. Oh wait. Oh wait. Yes. We're just gonna hunt down our good boy here. Been right for me. There we go. That's so much better. Oh. No more being brought into the. Is he gonna come back? Oh yeah, he's coming back. Oh yeah, he's mad. He's mad. What? Watch. Watch him. Watch him. Ah, yeah. Get out, fire. Yes. Hey guys, yo, what's up? Ayo, hey, check this out. We're gonna go in and we're gonna make some trees today, yo. Don't forget to smash that subscribe. Can I contribute to Godot? The answer is yes. If you can contribute to an open source project, even if it's documentation, documentation is immensely important, and especially in open source. And you don't have to be a developer to do documentation. I highly recommend if you can write some documentation for any open source project, do it. Even if you can review documentation, or if you're reading something and say this isn't quite right, or there's some typos, fix it. I love the fact that there's a contributing button here. You know what's really, let's recharge it. Go take a look at our billboard. Fire's out. That means a bear is somewhere. Well, hello, everybody. How's it going? Welcome. We got a full house. Big full house. We got who all? We got Try Something was first with a lot of emotes.
Don't mess with my toot toot. I know you have another woman. Don't mess with my toot toot.
You know what you did. You know what you did, Big Amy. Welcome in. Good to see you. Doko, good to see you over on YouTube as well. I'm sure that Big Gaming's keyboard just has the same issue that mine does, where it occasionally plays the wrong or does the wrong thing. It must be a virus that you get by streaming. It happens. But folks, in case you didn't know, whoa, looks like y'all are messing up my chat. I love it. Short shriveled to the left. Thank you for asking though, Proton. So in case you didn't know, good news on YouTube is I am now monetized over on YouTube. I haven't made a single penny, but I have the potential for making a penny or two. So that's a thing. I'm kind of proud of that. I'm kind of proud of that. But tonight, what are we doing? So we got the new game. We got ideas for the new game, right? But I want to do some odd that didn't work. Oh, I think I know what's going on here. Oh, whoops, my bad, dog. My bad. I need to move that over to StreamerBot. That's still in Firebot. But Doko, I got it. I got you. So I want to do a couple of proof of concepts, right? So I have character here, and let's just hide armature. Can I hide just? Maybe I can't. I just want to hide. Oh, well, how about that? No, Doko, it's a problem on my on the Firebot side. So Firebot, I have a lot of stuff on Firebot still. It's a good product. It's not as powerful as StreamerBot, but it's good for what it does, right? It has a lot of stuff just built in. But I do have some of my original effects before I came to the light side of StreamerBot, of figuring out how to do things. So here's where we are, and I'll show you. I'm using a Kenny asset. Right, we got little dude here, just a normal everyday low poly guy, right? Now what I want is to test out a couple of the power-ups that we're going to be having. So if you haven't been around, if you haven't been around in a few days, like me, so this is the idea. Not tested on animals is the working title. And the main character is a test subject who wanted to make some money, so signed up to do some product testing. Like shampoos and makeup and food additives and medicines and perfumes and hair products, so that they're not tested on animals. Get it? And so they will give different powers, like elastic serum, and we'll name it something like something makeup related that's a little bit closer to that, right? Caffeine overload, third eye drops. I don't know about that one. Some of these ideas did come from ChatGPT and other things. But what I'm curious about is how we can do stuff like this. So like I want to be able to, like, if a muscle enhancer, I want to make it so that the character attack. Why are you trying to attack? Why are you trying to attack? That's rude. But like for muscle enhancer, I want, like, arms to bulge a little bit, get that, get that six pack here and those gutters down there. You know what I mean. Nipples. Right. So what I don't know is how to do this and like import it into Godot. So that's where y'all come in. Teach me. Is it the big one though? Don't go yet.
Do it!
Yes.
Just do it!
I'm trying to do it. Why try? Shape keys. That might be it. As long as it can be imported into Godot. That's a big thing. I tried to have one of the thingies tell me a thingy. Like using blend shapes. Actually, it gave me a chart I don't know how accurate it is, but it gave me some recommendations. Um, blend shapes, procedural mesh generation, dynamic skeleton adjustments, or shader graph. But this is more for like glowing up, you know, in case I want to give it a glow up, things like that. So blend shapes for small deformations, adding new geometry with procedural meshes. I'm curious about this one. Now, the one that we're gonna look at, the one that is just off the top of my head, that's going to be the big one, is the animated hair. I just don't know how to do something like this, because the goal is when the player takes the whatever it is, the hair kind of grows into almost like a pompadour type thing. You know what I mean? Well, you know, my name's Big Gamey, and I love Tenacious D, and you can quote me on that. That's right. I love Tenacious D, and I just love it when people play. Big Gamey, what have I told you about taking over my stream? So, why try? How would I add that in? I know. It's uncanny. It's like you were here. What I'm curious about is, you know, we've got the bones, and you can't really add bones. It's almost like I need to deform the head. Or not necessarily deform the head, but like, well, that's kind of what I was going with. So with this, if I were to, what's going to be the best one? Is it going to be based on normal? Um, that's not it. Oh, damn it. Okay. Oh, whoops. I've added a couple. I've added a couple. All right, there we go. All right, so how would I then? Not bevel. And scale. It'd be almost like. Oh, there's my big brain. Duplicate head, make hair going from inside to the head outside. Okay, I think I know where you're going with this. So instead of what I had there, almost do this. And something like that. Real quick, let me. Yeah, where'd you go? Rest position. There we go. So the big thing, though, I mean, with the pompadour, what's going to end up happening is, it'll start off. Why do I go like that? Like boom, like that. If you're familiar with the band Guar, it's like Sleazy P. Martinez. He has the best pompadour ever. But when there is a grappling hook or something, the pompadour stretches up to grab on, and then the player can swing across with that, if that makes sense. So you're saying that the thing to do would be having a mesh hidden inside? I'm not opposed to a separate mesh. I think that could work. I guess it would, as long as it looks okay, and it's going to be from the side because we're doing a 2.5D, right? So let's just take a look. No. I'm going to go with 10 and 10. Right? So we this is something that I definitely need to learn about, is blend shapes, or is that what it was? Blend shapes. Yeah. Create a basis shape key. Create a new shape key. All right, so how do I do that kind of stuff? Is that in geometry node? Or is that in shader? Is that what? Where the hell would that be? So what I'm kind of thinking, and I could be completely wrong here, is when the player doesn't have the hair tonic, the hair sits as is, right? Hair just hangs out in there. And actually not even hanging out, it's going to be gone, disappeared. But when hair tonic happens, then yeah, something like that. It exactly. Something like that, yeah. So you're saying that And then the other thing to keep in mind here, is that there are going to be close this and where oh, okay. Is we're going to have something like that, right? And maybe, you know, a little something on the end here that curls it onto something, right? Am I on the right track here? Am I Res One? What is up? Welcome in. Good to see you. Go knows what we are. Oh no, no need for you to do that. I'm I like it already. Um, don't I need to add a skeleton though? Or do I add the skeleton over in Godot? Okay. Okay. Yeah, let's do that. Let's. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna keep that mesh. Can I save that one on its own? So I think that two modes might be good, but it's something that's probably going to grow a little bit. I mean, if you think, I with only two, what I'm thinking is like Pitfall. The the whip on Pitfall. Oh, shut up. Pendar.
Thank you for the raid. How did insert last activity here go? Now, let's rock.
M Audio, what's up? Welcome in, Pandar. I'm Audio. It's good to see you. I'm doing pretty well. Hope you are too. I saw you were streaming with Lana yesterday, right? Was it yesterday? I think it was yesterday. Pretty sure it was yesterday. No, M Audio was. Pandar. No, I'm sorry. I'm getting all confused here. But welcome in. Thank you for the raid. If there's anything you want to share, by all means, please share away. For those of you coming in who don't know me, I'm JD. I'm normally a web developer, but I'm currently working on a new game, new project that I want to see through. Hair dot. I am also a Godot noob. Okay. Look at that. We got the hair arrayment. Oh, that's not great. Ooh. That is so cool, M Audio. It's great to see that kind of stuff. Why the actual hell is the hair like, why is the hair up there? So I'm working on a game, and the goal is, or what I want to do today is try to figure out if it's possible or I'm sure it's possible, but figure out the way to make this character have hair grow out, as weird as it sounds, yes, and use it as a method of movement, like a whip in Pitfall. M Audio, good to see you as well. I'll try to stop by one of your streams too. You stream at a time where I'm usually busy with meetings, but that doesn't give me any excuses. I don't like that. Let's see. Now, no inherited. Okay, so for this mesh, first thing that we'd have to do is let's transform. Okay. Well, where the heck is it? What the actual hell? It's there. It's showing up there. Where? Okay, there. Like, okay, I see what's going on. I see what's going on. You'll see what's going on. I see what's going on here. That's why it's off like that. We need to make it a completely separate thing. Okay. It's not that the scale's not applied. A scale is applied, but look, the transform. I mean, I'm sure if I do that and zoom out, it's up here because of the transform. The origin is still at 0, 0, and the hair is up there. So here's what actually needs to happen then. Is we've got the sphere. Selection of the cursor. Cursor to world origin. And selection of cursor. Why? Well, I'm trying to separate them apart, and they're ooh. That's what happened. Okay. Where'd you go? Oh. Decked, set origin to geometry. There we go. And now there we go. That's what I was wanting to do. Now it's going to be a lot easier to manipulate over in Godot. So there, okay. Um, there. Something like that, right? Built-in 3D. Blender bones first. Though Blender bones are really hard to do anything with over in Godot. It's really hard to mess with them. Like really, because to do anything, it hurts. You don't really have direct access to them in Godot. And we could do all these things here, but we have to go through it and change all the things. So I was thinking that it might make more sense for something like this to put a couple bones in here. I don't know if that's another. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. What? I know how to do it in 2D, but I don't think it's possible in 3D. I could be wrong. Unless there's something new. Yeah, why try? You might be right. You're probably right. Who am I kidding? You're definitely right. Lifesaver, what is up? Welcome in. First time chat. It's very good to see you. Go back here. Nope. Let's go back here. Oh, good God. What bot do I use? I use a couple actually. Between custom and streamer bot. I love StreamerBot. I can do so much with it. In fact, most of my overlay that you see, everything is coming from StreamerBot. Going into Godot, into game. I don't want custom shape. I just wanna see. In front. There we go. Ooh, lifesaver. Thank you. Thank you. I will check that out. Awesome. I greatly appreciate it. Yeah, I've been using StreamerBot a lot. Everything that I have in my overlay here is going through Godot, and I'll give you a little peek behind the curtain. See how the sausage is made. Everything it goes through this StreamerBot connection here, and all that it is a script that hooks into the StreamerBot WebSocket, and then I basically subscribe to everything. And when I do that, I just get, instead of having different API calls for everything, look at this big ass dictionary of all the things that I can get instead of going through authenticating with Twitch, authenticating with YouTube, authenticating with um Stream Elements, with whatever the hell else I've signed up for. It all comes from one place, and I love it. I've been promoting the shit out of it as people come through. So I greatly appreciate that Discord message. I will get in on that. Thank you so much. Oh, I hope so too. The only real complaint that I have is I want dark mode. So hopefully the alpha. I know Andy has a workaround for that somehow, but let's see. No bad. GY. There we go. Oh, I am all for that. I'm going to update as soon as I end the stream. Fallen, welcome in. Good to see you. I am feeling a lot better. I hate being sick, but all right. So we've got this, and then I'm gonna get this one. And can I easily detach it? I don't want to roll. I want to detach it from here. I can't remember. Is it here? Connected? No. There we go. And this is going to be a bit of our IK because yes, the hair is going to have some IK. Now, um, Control P, Control P. Oh, that's right. Is it mesh to bones or is it bones to mesh? I always forget that. Is it mesh bone parent? There we go. There we go. Yep. Mesh bone. Automatic weights. Oh yeah. Let's see. Nope, 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 nope. Nope, not there, not there. There we are. There we go. Wait, no. What am I missing here about the... Oh, that's right. Okay. There we go. Okay. Whoops, hold on. No, that's not it. Why am I having such a hard time? Oh, God. Okay, I know I've done this before. Hold on. Okay. Target is root. Let's see. This one is nope. It's right leg. All right, let's see. It's IK. Target root. Hey, Bad Cop, what is up? Welcome in. Oh, root. Okay. And then we've got there. I'm trying to remember how to do this. Target is root. But where is that bone? Separate bone, target, chain bones, and move the IK. Why can't I remember this shit? Well, I try. It's not you. It's me. It's me. Um. Well, that just says how, but it doesn't start. Just mentions how it works, but doesn't like. There. All right, I think my mouse. Yeah, exactly. This is something that we know, but why don't we know? Yeah, this one might be. This might.
Let's create inverse kinematics in Blender. Press Shift A, go to Armature, add a bone. Make sure it's rotated the right way. In Edit mode, select the end of the bone and press E to extrude it until you've covered the mesh you want to animate.
Yeah.
Done,
This is what
add
we're
a
doing.
separate bone by pressing Shift A, then rotate it accordingly. Switch to pose mode. Select your control bone. Then Shift select the bone you want to apply inverse kinematics to. Press Shift I and confirm selection.
Just that simple, isn't it? Just that simple. There we go. Kind of odd that it's doing that weird thing, but not really stretching though. Not really stretching. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. It's a good start. Bad Cop. I'm kinda thinking about doing that. I mean, right now we can do the yeet, but I haven't reinvented that because I mean, in being in 3D, that'd be so much more difficult. All right. Oh, okay. Oh, what I do? No, bad. There we go. Okay. You there. Just plain lock it. Okay. Pop, lock, and drop. Pop, drop, and lock it. Okay, the problem now that we have is that that it moves with this, okay? Great, but we want Ooh, welcome in, Odious. I will check eventually. I think I need to I want to turn off the connected. Because the whole thing is we need to make it stretch. Tool. Oh, I'm definitely having fun with it. I am having a lot of fun. No, maybe, okay. Because I don't know how to do stretchy bones. I mean, I want them to stretch. This is exactly what I want, you know? But it doesn't seem to be doing exactly what I want. Oh. I don't think so, because here, let's... Oh, that's too long of a video. I can stretch. Oh, ads are going to be starting up. Modifier stretch to target. Okay. Ads are starting up. I'm going to start up words, and then we'll be back in about 3 minutes. Sound fair? All right, I'll be right back. Okay. Okay, there's something strange here. I don't like how that's going. But isn't it stretchy IK though? I mean, that's the whole thing. Let's see. Let's Okay, I removed it. Try something, Dev. Thank you. Thank you. Last bone, modifier. All right, let's just remove it. Modifier. Stretch to target separated bone here. Oh, good God. And this is kind of do we even need this one then anymore? No, when you say separated bone, I've got let's look. This is bone 3, 2, 1, 0. Which one do you mean is separated? All right. No, that's damn it. Okay, got that, got that. What the actual hell? All right, we're gonna save it. All right, so let's see then. Go back over here. Now here's where it gets a little bit weird, right? Because I don't know if we can actually okay. Hey, hey. Hey, look at that. Look at that. God, this is so damn ridiculous. Oh wait, let's. Oh whoa, hey, nope, oh, bad, bad. Refresh that. So I think that it would make more sense. There are a couple things that we can do. Stop. All right, so I've been thinking, and you know what? I need to change this because it's no longer. It doesn't feel like a pompadour. It feels more like a slightly problematic bit of. No, I was worried about it looking too much like a turban, which I didn't want it to do. It's supposed to be hair. Maybe we'll come back to it, and I'll probably cut it in half. Now that we know what to do, I'll cut it in half. We'll edit it mirror, and then do it that way. But for the time being, here's what we can do. There, check that out. All right, so we've got hair. All right, which is going to be wait, where the hell is this? No, let's get rid of that. But still, there is something. Oh, God damn it. There we go. Okay, so it's going to start off like that, and it's actually not going to even exist. We'll add it when the thing happens. Then it grows out to that, right? And now I'm just going to put a CSG box here as an example here. So different ways that we can use it. All right, if we're in range, then come on. If we're within range and there is a thing that we can grab onto on a ledge that's too high. And this is a point where I'm almost thinking that it might not be a bad idea to have another bone to make this kind of curve over so that it looks more, but we're just doing proof of concept here, right? Proof of concept. So it hits a point here, and then the hair retracts and pulls. Pulls character up and lands up here. The other option is just pretend this is like a hook or something. But if it's in range here, then grab on. And ooh, this might be a bad thing. So, White Fright, you're getting out of my expertise here. Because I don't even know if we can do a stack modifier in the... on one of these that's being created in here. Well, actually, I have no idea what's going on here. What in the actual hell? Right, we want to... I don't know enough about the spring bone simulator here. Like, what the hell happening here? I'm gonna have to do some unless it needs to be outside. Ooh, what's this? Wait. Must be Child of Skeleton 3D. Okay. Let's get in there. Let's open the documentation. Shit. Hold on. Okay, nothing. Nothing. Okay, so how the hell? I don't think that Springbone. Here, let's go. No, 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 no. Grappling hook. There we go. There we go. Pivot. Pin joint. Now the problem is hold on. Node A. Problem is that we need the gravity to work too. Attach a static body fix node to a movable. Oh, okay. Okay, we're gonna do a static body here. Oh, that's ugly. That's ugly. What? I don't think I think that we're looking more at pin joint and just doing cosmetic stuff to point. To a point. And I think that what we need to do here, where Nope, that's not it. This is why I. Ooh, okay, how do we? Okay, there is our rest, but we need to be able to add something onto the child here. Like, can I then? I don't think that I can do anything to directly connect to this unless we probably going to break something, but what if we there are so many things broken right now. Save. Let's. Oh boy, what have I done? What have I done? I have done all the bad things. Primax9, welcome in, first time chat. Good to see you. Get rid of you. I am trying to figure out how to make swinging hair, which is not as bad as it sounds. It's worse. What I'm trying to do is make it so that we can. So the goal is this character is one of the powers that this character might have is going to be expanding hair that can be used for like hanging onto a ledge, right? Also, I'm sorry if I've been neglecting anybody over on YouTube. My apologies. But we have a general skeleton, but I want. Oh, god damn it. So I'm. What I want is to be able to have it so that what the oh no, bad. Hold on, sorry. There. So that I can affect the bones in the skeleton here. But I don't think that I can.
Hey, insert rating
Mungo,
streamer's
welcome
name
in.
here.
Oh, please help me.
Thank you for the raid. How did insert last activity here go? Now, let's rock.
Welcome in, Raiders and Munglo and everybody. Great to see you. Hope you're doing well. Munglo, what were you working on? Got anything you want to share? For Raiders coming in who don't know me, I'm JD. I am a very, very poor game dev, trying to learn stuff and failing pretty miserably at it. Because I can't figure out how the heck we're supposed to do this kind of thing. So oh, Munglo. Haha. Then you are exactly in line with what I need. Oh, please help me. Please help me. Yeah. So I am trying to do the thing where we're I'm wanting to do a proof of concept here, and right now all I'm proving is that I have no concept. To where, all right, we have the power up and the hair happens, and what I want to do is have the hair be able to jump up and then have the character swing. Kind of like a Spidey thing. Yeah, exactly. But I'm having a hard time figuring out how to accomplish that with the limitations. So what we've done so far is we've got the pompadour over here. Also, Primix, how'd you find me? What brings you in? I'm glad to see you regardless. No matter how you got here. Unless you're here to hate watch. Oh, god damn. I shouldn't look at my things. So Munglo, I'm kind of stuck on how to accomplish this because we're importing the skeleton as part of the blender. It's difficult to, as far as I know, it's difficult to add a skeleton. Now, unless I were to, I don't even know how to like pull this out of the bones. $12 feet up. No, I have a skeleton. Right now, we're just talking about the hair, man. Just talking about the hair. See? And the hair has a skeleton. Right here. So I can still... I don't know how to make it so that it swings. You know, if I reach out here, you know, if I extend the bone, however, up to a point, I don't know how to connect it because I don't have access to this bone from over here. As uncomplicated as possible. I just want to be able to swing. I mean, in a perfect world, I think what I'd like to do is, if there were a way to have the skeleton Um, but I don't know how to add the constraint. That's where I'm coming to the problem. If I one, I don't see it here. Matt Boner. But here's what I'm not understanding, Munglo, okay? How do I gain access to the bones that are imported? Because it just says skeleton here. The bones are here, but I'm used to, let's see. Fuck now. I already have a hard life, my friend. Already have a hard life. Okay. And that'll give me access to be able to say, okay, bone 002, move it here, because this is nothing makes sense to me. I'm an idiot. New script. Hold on. What are we calling it? You said it was going to be copy location rotation. Export. Node 3D. Okay, we got that. GD script version, which is a lot simpler. Public override void, my ass. We just get funky in here. Do I need to set that as a equals barbarian equals get skeleton? Okay. What are you yelling at me now? There we go. Barbarian skeleton 3D equals get skeleton. Okay, I typed this. You see what I did there? Okay. Well, then if that's the case, the skeleton we found. Otherwise, um, wow, I can't spell skeleton. Get bone. Oh, it's just a bone? Well, it's a bone that's going to be rotated. Hold on, hold on. Well, that is not a function, so hold on. Get bone. Oh, okay. You don't want fine bone. Bone name. What does this return? Okay. If not bone index. Okay. Then, oh, hold on. Okay, so okay, var pose skeleton get bone pose bone index. I don't know if global is an option. Get global. There we go. Stupid machine. Okay, var bone pose. Okay, so we've got we've got the pose here. Okay, target position equals target node global position. And that is a vector 3. That's what I thought. Hold on. One moment. Gooder, much gooder. Okay. You know, naming stuff is hard. Naming stuff is very hard. Rung low. Var. Equals target position minus wait, okay, so did I miss a step here? So overall transform specific with respect to the skeleton. Um Okay, get bone pose position. I think I bone pose position. All right, I think I missed something here. I might have pulled the wrong one. So global pose is not what we want, right? That's because that's the transform 3D. We want it to be get bone pose position. But that isn't in global. I'm already okay. I still think that I did something. I'm missing something here. Okay, I don't have bone though. I just have bone index. So it'd be ah, jeez. Hard to scroll back in this shit. Okay. Uh, okay. Trying to understand what all's happening here now. Let's go back here. Okay, so bone name. Okay. Oops. What freaking? All right, yeah. Let's try that again here. Yeah, I was worried about that. It's oh, ads are starting up. I'm gonna turn on words. I'll be back. Okay, back. Something wasn't quite right there, so let's see. Now I was. There we go. Um. So not quite getting. Also, Wilger, welcome in. Good to see you. Well, the bone, but here's the thing. I mean, maybe there is a misunderstanding cross wires. This is what it should be attaching to. So this is what I have as the target node. All right, let's see. Well, I can't even get into the bones. I mean, this is where this is part of the problem is that I don't have access to the bones in here. It just shows remote skeleton, general skeleton, reporting for duty. But it's excuse me. I'm in remote, but I can't really check to see if it's actually moving though, unless I start. All right, let's see then. Bone pose. Let's see. If I do go back here. So there's bone 2. Oh, everything. The armature is going to be scaled. There, or the parent of it's going to be scaled because the hair is going to disappear into the head. I guess what we could do is change the scale back here. And the actual brick. All right. Is there something? Son of a bitch. There we go. I'm making it very hard. But I have an idea that might fix it. Oh, for fuck's sake. Nope, wrong button. Wrong thing there, wrong thing there. Okay. Okay. Whoops a daisy. All right, let's see if this makes any difference. It's still not quite there, but it's a little bit better. Where? Oh, which pivot? Which pivot? I mean, I don't know how to get to the pivot because I don't know how to do anything with the damn. Okay, so if I yeah, yeah. There we go. Well, why not move it? Why leave it where it is? I mean, what do we got here? Yeah. Should be re-importing. No. No, they're separate. Is that the problem? Yep. And that's a problem. Well, I'll be damned. But okay, so that's part of it, but that doesn't give me anything with the swinging. Okay, cool that we can connect there. Doesn't really give me a lot to do with the okay, that connects it though. That doesn't really help me with the swinging animation or swinging movement or even. But I'm getting tired and slightly grumpus. So I think probably best if I call it for the night. Because I should never look at numbers. Never ever ever look at numbers. I looked at numbers. Okay, let's see who's on. Um we'll just go to Clunk. Sound good? Sound good. All right, everybody. Thank you. Thank you for all your help. Keep going. Probably tomorrow night. We'll see how I'm feeling. I need sleep. And we'll keep going. All right. I appreciate y'all coming in. I appreciate everybody going. I appreciate the 3 people who unfollowed during the stream. Whoever you are, I'll miss you. But yeah, we're gonna head over to Clonk. Clonk is a good person, does good things, and very, very, very entertaining. More so than me.
We want to say
So yes.
Dot type defs.
See you all over there.
Dot
and
inserts.
Yeah, have a great day.
Dot insert. That is.